Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm gonna be showing y'all niggas how to get y'all's microphones working with FL Studio. Alright, so first you gonna come up here to options, audio settings. Set your shit to FL Studio ASIO. Once you get that, click show ASIO panel. Here you can set your microphone and your speakers or whatnot. Change my shit right quick. There you go. Now that you've done that, you can close out of that. If you guys want to record, right click on the recording button, make sure you have audio selected, and then after that you'll go to your mixer. Just go to whatever insert you want to record on. Up here where it says none, you'll click in 1 and 2. And then this right here, this is how you can hear yourself. You're gonna click on the yellow button that says EXT. And then you'll click on, and then you'll be able to hear yourself. So, yeah.